Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel, Meeks Motorsports. As you can see, today we're going to be working on the 2014 Honda 450. I have my shocks sent out to be in our motorsports, to be revalved, resprung, dual rated, set up for me. But the main purpose of this video today is our graphics. We got our graphics kit came in the mail today, so what we're going to do is we're going to take all these off, all the old carbon, all the old camouflage, clean the plastics really good, put the new stuff on. I'm going to attempt to do a wet method, so hopefully, oh boy, if this breaks all the way, it's going to be a long day. Gonna hope to do a wet method, get some no air bubbles. So first things first, I'm going to start by taking these old graphics off, and then I'm going to clean the plastics and start putting new ones on. Alright, so after about 10 minutes of pulling stickers off graphics, they come out, I got all the camo off. You can see they're pretty faded underneath. Even with having graphics on them, they still faded for some reason. Don't know the science behind that. Got some Goo Gone soaking in so I can get all the extra glue off there. Then I'm going to clean them, get them real nice and clean with some alcohol, something similar. And then we're going to lay the new graphics out, start spreading them. Going to get some soapy water. We're going to get all our tools ready pretty much. And go from there. They're going to be sweet. So stay along for the big reveal. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour and a half maybe between cleaning all the plastics off and getting all the stuff off, put the new ones on. Just taking a short break real quick. For the most part, I've been taking my time, no air bubbles. I actually am doing the dry method, cleaning them down, sticking them, using some heat, using a squeegee, trying to get all the air bubbles out, trying to line these up, kind of as best I can to make the lines match up. There's a lot of small pieces. This is a small piece, this is a small piece, this is a piece, this is a piece. So I'm just taking a quick break. There's a small skinny one right here. There's a big one. I'm gonna drill these out actually, and I'm gonna put the stickers that come in the kit. I got a Honda sticker right here for the right side, and then I got a Honda ODI sticker for the left side. I have not done the left side yet. As you can see, it's still pretty much just black plastics. I was doing one at a time, and actually, now that I'm just looking at it, there's a big air bubble right here. So I'm gonna have to get this out. Have to peel that back off and get that back out. Not a big deal. Probably stuff over time settling, starting to come back up, which is alright. Hood, I did the hood first, it's still fine. Then I did the fenders, they're still fine. So I'm just taking a quick break. It's coming out pretty sweet. I just wish, now granted this bike's not going to be sitting like this, it's on jack stand, so it's sitting kind of high, and I have my factory wheels still, but once I get my bead locks coming in, my shocks back on, and the bike's sitting at level, I think it'll be pretty sweet. I'm liking the look of this. I'm used to being all black, so now we're changing it up with some white and blue, get some different colors in there. Got this Carrillo light blue, pretty good. Alrighty, I'm going to keep working on this and come back to you when I'm done almost. Alright, here you have it. I got all the graphics kit art is on. Both sides. All my little extras laying around. Both sides. Looks pretty good. Got most of the air bubbles out. There's a very small, like a little piece of dirt is underneath. Nothing major. So it looks pretty sweet, a lot better than the camo, I think. Kind of give it some color, freshen it up a little bit. So I got this, I got a new rear chain guide from Glen Innovations, and also the skid plate. Got a new skid plate, the new GTT link, the lowering link. Just waiting to get the shocks back, and then we'll be out riding. So I think that's gonna do it for this video. The parts for the 2006 250, those should be in Wednesday, so hopefully we can get a video out soon on putting this back together. Then we can get this out of here. we can get these shocks back, start riding, do some riding videos. But I think that's gonna do it for this video. Putting the graphics on. Sorry I didn't film much of actually installing the graphics. There's a lot of tedious work making sure their graphics are laid out with the edges and make sure they're all smooth and no air bubbles. So I didn't do much filming, but this is the new setup. It looks great. I like it a lot. I like the blue ties in with the everything else. So I'm gonna do it for this video. This is Meeks Motorsports. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.